capturing the past through historic photography. 1931 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300. Images of the 8C capture its lightweight design and European racing prestige. 1934 Tatra 77. Images of the Tatra 77 highlight its streamlined shape. 1936 Adler Trump Jr. Images of the Trump Jr. show off its practicality. 1938 Phantom Corsair Dash. Images of the Corsair capture its sleek, almost spaceship-like design. 1940 LaSalle Series 52. Images of the LaSalle reflect the Art Deco influence in American car design. 1941 Packard Clipper. Images of the Clipper represent the transition to post-war automotive styling.